Hi, everybody. So, I just did a stream for about an hour, 45 minutes. But apparently, I can't record and do that at the same time, or I just don't know how to work OBS, which is a very high possibility. So, I'll try to upload another video tomorrow, make sure it works properly. Because that was fun. Learned a couple things. Wasn't so bad. Only had a couple like little hiccups here and there. So, I'm sorry that I don't have a video up to upload today, so hopefully this will do. But more will come tomorrow. Thanks.